everyone, it is National Ugly Christmas Sweater Day, and today we have a look that's inspired by my ugly Christmas sweater.
It's inspired by candy canes and Christmas and ugly Christmas sweaters. Enjoy.
So I put the first steps in super fast motion because basically I just use my normal priming and foundation routine for the base of this look, and then I slowed down the actual eyeshadow.
With my Morphe James Charles palette, and I started with this really pretty lime green, Social I think is what it's called, and I've got my fluffy blending brush, and what I'm going to do is go in to my eye. Now I think I went a little too far over to the middle with the other eye, so I'm actually gonna try to improve this eye. They're not gonna match, but it's gonna be improved. So I like to go upwards because, like I said, my eyes are kind of crooked. My little elf assistant is not happy. Now I'm blending it with Daddy. Oh, Daddy. I'm blending this as fast as I can with the Daddy. And I'm also going to carry the Social with the smaller end of the brush under my eye a bit. I'm going to do that on the other side, kind of bring it out a little bit. Alright. Now, once you've got your green in there, since this is a Christmas look, I wanted to add a little bit of glittery pop. My Subculture palette, and I used electric to add that glitter. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. Usually I use this in the corners, but for this one, just going all over with it, just making it crazy. Now this eye, I actually use concealer like I've seen in some other videos. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go straight Halloween with this Halloween Grace makeup thing and a really tiny brush. And I'm going to start with white, and I'm going to get that a little bit wet. And I'm going to make a bigger, maybe that's not wet enough. Need some more. I'm adding water to this. Now that's the way I really want. So I also tried this using my NYX pencil, the big jumbo pencil. I'm gonna try it. Hey. Open it here. I'm gonna go bigger with this one too. Like I said, it's not gonna match, but do I want to be able to see it? Yes. And I have a really light IT concealer. It's light fair. I'm gonna mix that with the white because it is really light. And the concealer, I feel like, might be a little bit smoother. Now I did a little tip to this candy cane over here. That's like one part I actually like how it turned out. That little curly tip. I don't know what products other people use to get a really nice white, but it's tough. It's tough. That's working out good. I think the Grace makeup is definitely working better. And the red over here was a lipstick, and it was not working good either. It was not doing good, Emerson. It's not looking good, honey. You like it? Is it good? Okay, now don't move, mommy. I've been obsessed with magnetic lashes. And so I got these, I think online. They were the cheapest. Do they even have a brand? Oh. I don't know. But it says you shake up this, it's basically how you do all magnetic lashes. You do a liner. If Emerson's cooperating, please don't mess up, Mommy. Oh, we can go under the candy cane and accentuate it. Ooh, I didn't do that with the other eye. Okay. Looks like poop. We took a risk and it didn't turn out great. But here though, there's that. I think I want to do a little more under the eye. Maybe that one with the social. Some of the daddy. Oh no. Oh no. Emerson. You dump. You dump. This mascara is amazing. When I was using Lash Boost, it was working even better. Dump. It is a L'Oreal, and it has a primer, liner. Will you cooperate? Mascara. Stop. You dump. You dump. Why not? Why not? How's that looking, okay? Got my hair in the way. Boost these babies up. Okay. Well, I gotta say, I don't look like as crazy as I did before with just one eye. I would use the eyelash curler now, but since I don't have mine, I use some toilet paper to just curl these babies while they're a little bit wet. Add a little bit more blush on the balls of my and then a little bit of highlighter. Corner of my eye. And a little bit of that glittery shimmer that we love. I'm literally gonna have this look and go crush some nachos. My husband's gonna make fun of me. I don't know if I have enough liner for the magnetic lashes, but let's see.
This is my ugly Christmas sweater candy cane look. Overall, I kind of like the way it turned out. The candy cane didn't turn out as clean and crisp as I would have liked it, but hey, I got a compliment on it at dinner. So hopefully you guys like this too, and have a happy holidays.